GeoCon Unit 1, number 45, Part C, find the area of the shaded regions. So I'm going to find the area of the great big square. Let me finish that. I don't like that that line isn't there. The great big square. So the big square, I'm going to find the area of the big square. I'm going to subtract from that the area of the smaller square. Do that. After I do this and I get an answer, I'm going to add the rectangle. I need to add that back in. So I'm going to do big square minus the smaller square. I'm going to add back into it the area of this rectangle. So let's start off with the big square, and that's going to include all, even what isn't shaded. That's saying the area of the whole thing, right? That's what we're doing. So the big square, area of a square is base times height. Yep. Area equals base times height. So the base, I think that's an 8. It looks like an 8, 48. 48 times 48. And let's go ahead and do that. 48 times 48. I could have done 48 squared. 48 times 48. 2,304. So we get 2,304 is the big square. The smaller square is 44 by 44. Same formula, base times height. So we're going to do 44 times 44. 44 times 44. We get 1,936 square feet. So now I'm going to take this minus this, and that's going to give me the area of this, all this out here. All right, because I'm doing the great big square minus that inner square. That's going to give me all of that. So 2,304 minus 1936. 2,304 minus 1,936. Get 368 square feet. But now that's subtracted out all of this. I need to add this little rectangle back into it to find the area of all the shaded parts. This little rectangle here, area of a rectangle is base times height. So we got 10 by 6. I can do that in my head. 10 times 6 is 60. So to get my final answer, I'm going to take this 368 and this 60, and I'm going to put them together. 368 plus 60. This can be 428 maybe? Yep, 428. So the final answer for this one, 428 square feet is the area of the shaded part for number 45, part C.